How to add pop-ups to Square Online site. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create or add a pop-up to your Square Online website. The process is going to be very easy and simple. Everything is integrated within the website of Square or SquareUp and we are going to just create or add them. So we are going to head over to squareup.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the dashboard. We're going to head over the online section of Square, which is going to lead us to the online store. And from here, we're going to be here. Now, we're going to wait for the dashboard to load up. It is going to be a completely different dashboard from this. And it is going to be popping like that. Now, when you talk about pop-ups, we talk about communication. And the communication item is going to be situated here. So we are going to extend or click on the drop down, as you can see, arrow. We're going to find email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and etc. Click on pop-ups. Obviously, you are not going to have another choice from that. Now we have the pop-up. We can have here, as you can see, 4 type of pop-up. We have the email collection for subscribers. We have collect email subscribers with a coupon. This is a paid feature, not a free one. We have the announcement, and we have the age verification. So we're going to choose one of the pop-ups. For example, I'm going to create an email subscriber collector. Click on create. Wait for a few seconds. This is the type of the pop-up for the mobile confirmation. As you can see, the desktop and etc. We can have this with an image. We can have that at the top. We can have this also and everything. Now I'm going to get this. For example, it is going to contain an image, so it is going to be self-explanatory, and also it is going to have a text. You can go ahead and modify the title and text, form fields, action buttons, and background and image. For the title and text, you're going to find the title itself, as you can see this, subtitle, which is this one, and the confirmation message, which is going to be at the end, this. Now, aside from that, you have the style for text color, text font size, and etc. Now, I'm going to be back. The form fields, you can go ahead and have the content for the form fields, like you can see that we have the first, last name, and we have the email. You can go ahead and not basically add whatever here you have, but it is going to be a precise object. We can modify the style of it, or the border, or the input text. Also, we can have the action button. You can add the link to the action button, and then you can modify it also. Now, the image and background, you can replace the current image that you have. For example, you can go ahead, I don't know here, to put this one. You do not need a image greater than 400 pixels. We have also the background colors. You can go ahead and add a color instead, and here you go. When you finish, you're going to click on publish. Here you are going to publish it. So it is going to be published right away. So when you are going to visit the website, it is going to be showing up the pop-up. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.